What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to create an animated progress bar in Adobe XD. I have already created some designs for this tutorial. We have a rectangle with rounded corners and drop shadow. We have some text that uses the font Roboto. Then a rectangle for the progress bar. Lastly, a close icon. First we're gonna make 2 copies of the progress bar rectangle using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Then we will rename the second rectangle to progress bar and third rectangle to mask. Now select the progress bar and give it a nice color. The color I'm using here is #4BEE24. After that I'm gonna select the mask and fill it with a different color. The color code will be #2BE349. Just focus on the progress bar color because the mask color won't be visible. Now select the mask and progress bar, right click and select mask with shape. Click the mask icon to open it, then select both the mask and progress bar layer and reduce the progress to 0. Now make a copy of the artboard. In the second artboard click the mask icon then increase the progress to 100%. Then go to the prototype mode. Click on the first artboard then click on the blue tab and drag this to the second artboard. We're gonna trigger this animation using time delay. So select the trigger type as time. Then change the delay to 3 seconds. And animation type to auto animate. Easing to ease in out, and finally change the duration to 2 seconds. Now click on the first artboard then hit the play button to view the prototype. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.